And now, from South Africa to Kenya, let us take a look at what has been trending on Africa's social media space with CGTN's Daniel Plafker.
Africa's social media scene has had quite a week. Here are some of the trending stories from around the continent. We begin here in Kenya, where COVID-19 patients at isolation facilities are refusing to let the disease dampen their spirits. Video has emerged of nurses and their charges breaking it down in their hospital gowns, to the delight of users on social media. One way to put a positive spin on a grim situation. Thirsty tipplers throughout South Africa were treated to relief last week with the long-awaited lifting of a nationwide ban on alcohol sales. The prohibition was among the more unique elements of the country's coronavirus lockdown, and its lifting saw customers camping out in front of liquor stores in anticipation. Health authorities argued that sobriety helped encourage proper social distancing and hygiene, while critics pointed to a spike in hospitalizations due to the consumption of dangerous homebrewed alternatives. And Madagascar has fired its Minister of Education for a plan to spend more than $2 million buying candy for the island nation's school children. The cabinet secretary said the scheme was aimed at masking the bitter taste of COVID organics, an untested herbal concoction touted by the country's president as a treatment for coronavirus symptoms. The extravagant expense sparked outrage in a country where over 70% of people live on less than $2 a day. That's it from us here in Nairobi. I'm Daniel Plafker. Join us next week for more trending topics from around Africa, or join the conversation by following us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at CGTN Africa.